imagine, we've got a brand new facility that's trying to take on reliability and, basically saying, hey, we're going to take in a maintenance technician, turn them into the scheduler, the planner. Any tips, tricks, advice that you'd give this new person coming into this new role to think about how to create an effective maintenance plan?
All right, I'm going to take a step even further back. Let me think about it. So you spend $1 billion on a plant, and you really don't have insurance on the reliability. You may have monetary insurance, but really, what does your customers want? And that is, they expect a certain quality output, on demand, and that's what we got to deliver. So in order to do that, we have to have a maintenance strategy, reliability strategy that's going to protect that process and asset reliability. Because if we want to be the lowest cost producers, and we look at maintenance cost as a percentage of replacement and asset value, is that if reactive plants are extremely high, up to upwards of 18%. And then where world-class plants are somewhere between 1.7 and 3.4%. That's a massive amount imagine the production losses when you're spending that much money on maintenance.
Huge.
It's massive. It's massive. So if you're going to build a new plant, you need an insurance policy, and that's proactive maintenance. Not just planning and scheduling, just total proactive maintenance.